Hey, you're recording.
How many gas y'all got? Do they got?
We are live, baby, and in Raleigh, North Carolina. Woo! We are up to no good out here on these streets. Shit. So you were out with these guys last night? Oh. They about to damn stomp the shit. Gotta love the Grom. You're good, man. There he is. Yeah, that's cool. And I'd like to, it'd be nice if I could go with you to get the bike, but if not, I mean, we'll think of something. We'll just make a video or something. There we go, that's staggered properly. Yeah, that was bothering me for a minute. There he goes, go, go! She's taking a picture. Look, look, look. Oh, he's leaking shit too. Oh man. Damn. Talk about being off the chain.
Bike's down. Again. Done.
Dude, the second one in 24 hours where a chain popped.
And what happened was I was already in it, so it was spinning. You know, he was just taking off. And it popped, and then it spun. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? And ain't no telling where it was at in the loop when it broke.
He was way up there. I don't think I got it. Put in.
Show the part with the logo.
Alright, so we're kind of broke down. Well, he is. And I'm trying to get some help. So, but I ain't got a pen. So we're just gonna wing it. So I'm just trying to get some help. Help. Need some help. We need a truck. Need a truck. Come here. Need a truck. We need a truck. You know anyone with a truck? No. Anyone with a truck? Nobody.
Drive up to the corner. Hey, tow truck. I need a tow truck. 14 miles away.
This is your captain speaking. I am Dylan Stansel, ready for the onboard motorcycle training course. But first we need help. We have a bike down, busted a chain. He has too much power. I got a sign here. I need a truck. Anyone with a truck? Anybody? Anyone with a truck? Hey, can we borrow your U-Haul real quick? Hey! Hey! Hey, do you know where we can get a tow truck? Need help. Need a tow truck. I wonder where we can get a tow truck at. I wonder if Walls Towing and Recovery from Knightdale, NC, 919-266-2722. Really wish we had a tow truck. I just wish we had a tow truck. I wish we could find a tow truck, you know? It's not like we know anyone with a tow truck. I wish we had a flatbed tow truck right now with nothing on it. I need a you got a pen? You got a pen? Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right.
He's counting around. Need tow.
They can't do strap spikes because what they're going to do
Need
and strap it on the two little rails that are on the tire.
tow.
How long it was.
Yeah, real bold. Real bold. Appreciate it. Need tow. I spelled it wrong the first time. I put an E at the end. Come on, truck, come on. Tow, need you, I need you. Ah! Hey, I'm walking here. Hey, he's stopping. I need a tow! Need a tow! I need a tow! Come on! I'm walking here!
How the f*** you guys think you're gonna tow a bike? You really need to tow?
Yeah.
Dude, man. My chain come off my booster. And,
It's only 14 miles.
Oh, yeah, it ain't going to fit.
Chain, yeah, it broke. And it broke my long and broke my back.
We even had a cop stop. He couldn't get a tow truck out here.
That's pretty nice.
Dude,
I'm here to help.
Damn thing.
He's got an intercom.
He's
It's
been
so
yelling at
hilarious.
cars. The fact that you even
Come on, man. Come on, you look like you know a guy with connections, man. That's what you look like.
Look, I've been stuck on my bike before, and I'm like, one time my feet fell out, like vibrates out, and I'm like,
What the f***?
right?
Which one, baby?
Huh? Which one? The gold one? That was mine. Yeah. No, it's not that one. It's the Hayabusa up front. It broke a chain and busted the coolant hose. All the coolant strained out of it. But I was flagging people down with this, and this guy stopped. So I don't know if he's gonna help or not.
Yeah, you probably work for Honda or something.
Yeah. He's trying to I guess help link the chain back together, and we can limp it to my buddy's house like 10 minutes up the street, but so yeah. No, I was just messing with y'all with this, you know. Yeah, y'all have a good one. All right.
Look at this. My truck actually doesn't.
Yeah, see, look, here goes the owner right here.
Go, boys! Come on! Look at that sexy beast right there. Look at him.
Yeah.
Good luck. If you can't get it, just call me back. We'll figure out something. We'll do.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna head on back to the house. Well, that wasn't much riding today. Went about 5 miles before the chain broke. So, hey, it happens, you know. When you ride a motorcycle, things are gonna happen. Things are gonna break down, and that's just the way it is. But, give this video a like, subscribe. We'll see y'all later. Peace.